In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Solana to BNB on Axiom. The first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features like Twitter tracker, wallet tracker. You also get rewards just for basically trading Solana. You can trade perpetuals, set your own presets and fees, etc. So as I said, link down below, check it out, you won't regret it. Now, to actually convert Solana to BNB on Axiom here, what you're gonna have to do is up here, you now have this button, which you can click on, and then you can switch between Solana and BNB. Okay, so BNB meme coins can now also be traded on Axiom as of the recent update. But if you actually want to convert, and for example, you're holding some Solana on here like me, you can just go ahead and click on the deposit button, click on convert here, and then you have to select converting, and of course Solana over here, and then just select how much, like let's say 1 Solana, and then here you have to select BNB as the receiving coin or gaining coin, and then when you do that here, you can just go ahead and click on confirm, and that way you can basically convert your SOL to BNB on Axiom. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.